Well, I finished the day. Didn't quite get as far as I wanted to. I wanted to get this harness done, but I didn't. I made modifications to the chassis, opening up the slots. I mounted the new pivot point for the drawbar connection, and I reassembled. I took everything off the old chassis and put it on the new chassis. Got to tie down my board yet, but everything is back together. I had to take off the wheels and put them back on. I had to put on the clamp for the lower cable holder. I got that on, and you can see we have a coupler in the back, and it looks like we're pretty ready to go. The problem I had was I didn't get this guy reassembled, and the snag I ran into was the clearance for the top. The box is a little tall. I gave it at half a millimeter, and I guess I needed to give it a full millimeter. So it's just a little squeezy. So I've squished that down another half a millimeter on my CAD system up here, and I've sent it over to the slicer, and it's now in the 3D printer, and the 3D printer is getting calibrated and set up, and once he's done with calibrating, he'll print that baby, and as you can see, it's going to take 52 minutes. So I'm going to go up and have dinner and sneak down later without telling the landlord where I'm going, and we'll see how that flies, and then we'll see where we are. On the other thing I wanted to check was the height. As you can see, it looks pretty good for the height wise. He's on those wheels, he's on his wheels. So that's where that is. What I don't like is the distance, and that's the thing we're going to be working on next. And what I think I'm going to do is cut this down. It looks like I may have to shorten the height. I don't know. We'll see. I'll work it another day, another dollar later.